Most car owners believe their vehicle looks bad because it's old. That's not true. Cars look bad because people are taught to maintain them incorrectly and then charged hundreds of dollars to fix the damage later. In this video, you'll learn 17 car cleaning hacks that dealerships and detail shops quietly use themselves while charging customers thousands. Stay until the end, because hack number 1 alone prevents over $2,000 in paint damage, and almost nobody does it correctly. Detailing has become an industry built on mystery. Words like ceramic, restoration, and deep clean are used to justify massive markups for techniques that often require no special tools at all. After detailing thousands of vehicles over 2 decades, one thing becomes clear. Most people aren't neglecting their cars. They're just being misled. Let's start with a trick that sounds ridiculous until you see the results. Hack 17, olive oil dashboard restoration. Most dashboards fade long before the rest of the car ages. UV exposure dries vinyl and plastic, leaving it gray and brittle. Dealerships sell dashboard restoration products for $30 to $50. Most contain silicone, which creates shine but attracts dust and accelerates drying. The alternative is simple: olive oil. When applied correctly, olive oil penetrates vinyl, restores flexibility, and brings back a natural factory appearance. Use only a small amount on a microfiber cloth. Rub it evenly into dashboards, door panels, and plastic trim. Then buff away any excess. The finish should look restored, not glossy. And unlike silicone sprays, it won't turn your dashboard into a dust magnet, but appearance doesn't matter if your car smells bad. Hack 16, coffee grounds, odor eliminator. Persistent car odors aren't caused by air. They're caused by odor molecules embedded in fabric and foam. Dealers charge up to $150 for odor elimination services. That usually involve temporary fragrances. Dry coffee grounds solve the problem at the source. Coffee grounds are highly porous and chemically neutralize odor molecules instead of masking them. Place dry grounds into a breathable container or sock. Leave it in the car overnight with windows closed. Smoke, food, sweat, and mystery odors are absorbed without adding any scent of their own. And if odors exist, stains are usually not far behind. Hack 15, shaving cream, upholstery cleaner. Interior stain removal is one of the highest dealer markups, yet most cloth seat stains are oil-based or organic. Exactly what shaving cream is designed to break down. Shaving cream contains surfactants that dissolve oils and lift dirt to the surface. Apply directly to stained fabric. Allow it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Gently scrub with a soft brush. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. Deep stains that appear permanent often disappear completely after one application. The key is patience and avoiding vacuuming before treating the stain, which can set it deeper. But even clean seats won't help if pet hair is embedded everywhere. Hack 14, rubber glove, pet hair removal. Pet hair embeds into fabric fibers, where vacuums and lint rollers fail. A rubber dishwashing glove creates static electricity that pulls hair out instantly. Put the glove on. Rub upholstery in one direction. Hair lifts, clumps, and becomes easy to remove. This works on seats, carpets, and trunk liners, even hair that's been embedded for years. And while visible dirt gets attention, dust is silently building up everywhere else. Hack 13, dryer sheets as dust magnets. The average car interior accumulates dust constantly. Dashboards, vents, and crevices trap particles that cloths simply move around. Used dryer sheets contain anti-static compounds that attract and hold dust. Wipe them across dashboards, consoles, door panels, and gently through air vents. Dust sticks instead of floating back into the air. This not only cleans more effectively, it keeps surfaces cleaner longer, but clean interiors mean nothing if your headlights are clouded. Hack 12, toothpaste, headlight restoration. Oxidized headlights reduce visibility and make cars look neglected. Headlight restoration services can cost hundreds. White toothpaste contains mild abrasives designed to polish enamel. and they work the same way on plastic lenses. Apply generously. Scrub in circular motions for several minutes. Rinse and dry. This removes oxidation and restores clarity temporarily. For long-term protection, apply a UV sealant afterward. But visibility doesn't stop at headlights. Hack 11. Newspaper streak-free windows. Streaky windows are usually caused by lint and residue. Newspaper solves both problems. The dense fibers absorb moisture without shedding lint, and the ink provides light polishing action. Spray glass cleaner normally. Wipe with crumpled newspaper. Windows dry clear, no streaks, no haze, and once windows look clean, chrome imperfections become impossible to ignore. Hack 10. Aluminum foil, chrome polish. Light rust and oxidation on chrome are usually superficial. Aluminum foil reacts chemically with rust. When combined with water, crumple foil into a ball. Dip it in water. Rub gently on affected areas. Rust dissolves without scratching the chrome surface. This method has restored bumpers, trim, and exhaust tips that would otherwise require expensive professional work. But chrome isn't the only surface that dries out. Hack 9. Coconut oil leather conditioner. Leather dries because oils evaporate over time. Most premium leather conditioners are coconut oil blends with added fragrance. Using pure coconut oil simplifies the process. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth. Work it into leather in circular motions. Allow it to absorb. Buff away excess. Leather becomes softer, more flexible, and more resistant to cracking. And when interiors look good, buyers start looking under the hood. Hack 8. Simple green engine bay. Clean. Engine bay detailing is positioned as a complex service. In reality, most engine bays can be cleaned safely. With basic precautions, cover sensitive electrical components. Spray simple green liberally. Allow it to dwell for several minutes. Agitate heavy grime with a brush. Rinse gently, never with high pressure. A clean engine bay dramatically increases resale value because it signals proper maintenance. And now, attention shifts downward. Hack 7. Oven cleaner for wheels. Brake dust bonds chemically to wheel surfaces. Standard wheel cleaners often fail. Oven cleaner contains heavy-duty degreasers that dissolve these bonds quickly. Apply only to cool wheels. Allow no more than 2 to 3 minutes of dwell time. Scrub and rinse thoroughly. Used carefully, this restores wheels that appear permanently damaged. Paint, however, requires a different approach. Hack 6. Modeling clay. Paint decontamination. Paint contamination causes rough texture, even after washing. Automotive clay bars remove embedded particles, but carry high markups. Craft store modeling clay is the same material. Use lubricant, glide clay across paint. Fold frequently to expose clean surfaces. The result is smooth paint, ready for polishing or protection. Minor scratches often remain, but not always. Hack 5. Hair dryer. Clear coat. Softening. Clear coat becomes slightly malleable with heat. A hair dryer can reduce the appearance of light surface scratches. Hold several inches away. Move continuously. Allow the area to cool naturally. This does not fix deep scratches, but it can significantly reduce light ones. Plastic surfaces respond even more dramatically. Hack 4. Heat gun. Plastic scratch removal. Interior plastic scratches are usually superficial. Plastic is thermoplastic. It softens when heated. Using a heat gun on low, kept moving at all times, can cause scratches to melt closed. Practice on hidden areas first. When done correctly, this technique restores trim without replacement. But the most overlooked issue is something you can't see. Hack 3. LYSOL AC mold elimination. Musty AC smells are caused by mold growth. Inside the evaporator, remove the cabin air filter. Run AC on high with recirculation off. Spray disinfectant into the filter opening. The system pulls disinfectant through the evaporator, killing mold and bacteria. Replace the filter. Air becomes clean again, without expensive services. Now, the final 2 hacks. Hack 2. Vinegar water spot removal. Water spots are mineral deposits. White distilled vinegar dissolves minerals safely. Mix equal parts vinegar and distilled water. Spray onto affected areas. Allow several minutes of dwell time. Wipe clean. Repeat for severe spots. And finally, the mistake almost everyone makes. Hack 1 2-bucket wash method. Most swirl marks are self-inflicted. Using 1 bucket recycles dirt and grinds it into paint. The professional solution is simple. 1 bucket for soap, 1 bucket for rinsing. After washing a section, rinse the mitt before returning to soap. This single habit prevents thousands in paint damage over the life of the vehicle. If you made it this far, you now know more about car care than most people working behind dealership counters. These techniques aren't secrets because they're complicated. They're hidden because they don't make money for service departments. Use even a few of them and you'll save hundreds, sometimes thousands, over the life of your car. If this video helped you, consider giving it a like. It really helps the channel reach more people. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense car tips that actually saves money, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.